Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code CE-107880-4 when something went wrong. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So this error code most commonly occurs for DLC, add-ons, or pre-order games. Now the first thing you should go ahead and try is to go up to settings right here and select this. And then go to Users and Accounts. Then, under Accounts, let's go on down to Others. And then go to Restore Licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So let's go ahead and select Restore Now. And I'm going to close down my game. Now this is going to restore the licenses, and hopefully if there is an error code, this will go ahead and fix it. Now another thing that you can go ahead and try is to delete the game, and then download it through the mobile app. So I have the mobile app right here on my desktop, and I'm going to click it and open it up. Then what I can do under here, once I sign in, I go down to my games right here, then go to the purchase games, and I'm going to see the most recently purchased games on my PlayStation. So let's go to Overwatch, for example. I can download this game from here now. All I have to do is download the PlayStation 5, so you can see my console. Now I can go to add-ons, and I can see all the add-ons. And I can download the add-ons through this application right here as well. So I can go to download or get, etc. So go ahead and try deleting the game and downloading it through the mobile app, or you can log into a web browser. Now let's go over to my PlayStation 5 and launch it into the safe mode menu. So to do this, with our PlayStation 5 turned on, we want to completely 100% turn it off. So let's go to power and then go to turn off PlayStation 5. Do not put it into rest mode. We want it completely 100% turned off. So let's select this and shut it down. Now we're going to do two things. The first is clear the cache. So to do this, I'm going to flip my PlayStation around and I'm going to take out the power cord and unplug my PlayStation 5 for approximately 1 minute and then plug it back in. So now that it's plugged back in, let's flip our PlayStation 5 around and launch it into the safe mode menu. So in order to do this, our PlayStation 5 is 100% turned off. Now we're going to hold down the power button. We will hear one beep initially, and then we will hear a second beep. And then our PlayStation 5 will launch into the safe mode menu. So there's the second beep. Now to operate the menus, we have to plug in our controller with a USB cable. So my controller is now plugged in, and I'm going to press the PlayStation button, and now I should be able to move through the menu with the D-pad. So under this menu, we want to go to option number 5, where it says clear cache and rebuild database. Now we already cleared the cache. You could also do it under here, but what we want to do is to go to option number 2. Rebuild a database. So let's select this now and then go on over to OK. Now it says it will take a few hours to rebuild the database, but in my experience it only takes like 5 minutes. So my PlayStation is going to restart, and then it's going to bring us to a screen where there's a countdown timer and a percentage. And it's displaying 7 minutes right now, and it says rebuilding database. So if there is any kind of like corrupted data, this should go ahead and fix it on your hard drive. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.